It's been 3 months since my last upload. Don't worry, I wasn't kidnapped by Big Oil, I was just busy. But now, we are back with a question that sounds completely ridiculous until you actually do the math. Could one nuclear reactor power an entire state? A nuclear reactor doesn't just make power, it generates heat, turns water into steam, and spins turbines that produce electricity. Most large reactors generate around 1 gigawatt of electricity. To put it into perspective, 1 gigawatt can power roughly 700,000 to a million homes, which sounds like a lot until you realize we're talking about entire states. Let's start with a smaller but still densely populated state, New Jersey. Peak demand is around 15 to 20 gigawatts. If one reactor gives us about 1 gigawatt, that means New Jersey would need roughly 15 to 20 nuclear reactors running at the same time just to meet peak demand. So, no, one reactor is not even close. Now scale that up. Texas, over 70 to 80 gigawatts peak demand. California, similar range. That's basically entire fleets of nuclear plants. The largest nuclear plant in the US isn't even one reactor, it's 3 reactors working together. And even that only produces about 4 gigawatts total. So why not just build one massive reactor instead of many small ones? Because if it goes down, an entire state goes dark. Power grids are built for redundancy, not single points of failure. So, could one nuclear reactor power an entire state? One reactor can power a city, a few reactors can power a region, but an entire state, that takes a full nuclear fleet. So yeah, one reactor isn't powering a state anytime soon, but what it can do is something way more interesting. Show just how massive our electricity demand actually is, because once you start stacking the numbers, you realize the grid isn't just big, it's enormous. Anyways, thanks for watching. I'll see you all in the next one.